Good morning, happy homeowners. This is Danielle with OnlyWoodFloors. I'm back in Brea. This is post day 2, pre day 3. So this is where they left off yesterday and before they're getting started today. I'm here in this back bedroom. You see they got all the sanded. They got some corners to scrape, but it all looks pretty good. And back here is where they did the installation and they got it all sanded. Seeing they're puttying in all of those cracks. And you can't even tell. It was requested by my father, let's look at this room, that I show that herringbone and the walnut feature strip in the entrance. And if he had watched my videos, he would have known that I've already talked about how much I like this twice now. But here it is again, because it is really good. And it actually is really one of my favorite things whenever we get, you know, these older houses with the walnut feature strip. It looks really good. And it's over here in front of the fireplace as well, which is